Hello guys, this is Swaraj Dalvi
This is Sanel Dalvi
and we are from H9 Car Detailing.
Basically, we have concept over here of everything under one roof. We provide services like car detailing, car ceramic coating, car paint protection and bike paint protection film, vehicle maintenance, bike maintenance, other car accessories, bike accessories, vehicle tuning, performance tuning, car custom wrapping and much more.
So we are going to perform detailing work on this car, which is Mercedes w124 of 1995. So this car has never been detailed since from last 7 to 8 years. So let's see how it goes.
Purchase your track today.